Hi, everybody. Welcome to some extra help for question number 2 on You Show What You Know for the short story Charles by Shirley Jackson. So let me find what I want to show you here. Okay, so here we are. So we're on question 2, and we want to identify 2 words that describe the mood of this story. Now, of course, we did this for Click Clack the Rattlebag. Exact same question. So we want to figure out, first of all, what's a word that describes the mood? So bear with me here for a second while I go back to the story. And I went and looked ahead a little bit. And I was thinking about, this story to me always sort of feels a little bit like, what's going on here? And I was looking for some evidence of that. I'm not asking you to give the evidence, but I wanted to make sure that I was right about that. And so I found this part right here. And it's something that the father says. Let me just highlight that for a second so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It says, "What does this Charles look like?" My husband asked Lori. "What's his other name?" I mean, Charles is kind of a big mystery in this story, right? We keep hearing about Charles, but we never meet Charles, of course, till the very end. So we don't know Charles. So it's all a big mystery. So that made me think, excuse me a second, I'm going to unhighlight that. So don't forget to do that later and you guys get it highlighted. I don't want any highlighting. So that's the word I think of. When I think of a word that describes the mood of the story, I think of the word mysterious because it's a big mystery. So all I do here is I type in the word mysterious. That's all I have to do there. I don't need to put that part in a complete sentence. And you can use that word if you like, or you could use a different word. You're going to have to find your own second word anyway, so you're going to have a chance to do one on your own. But if you don't like mysterious, do something else for word number 1. So down here, I need to explain myself a little bit, right? I'm to the second part of my question. Then explain why you think those words appropriately describe the story. So, and you get TTQA, turn the question around on the last part. So just a little quick cheat here, because I'm just basically taking the words from the question, I can often cut and paste some of the question right into my answer. So if I take here, I'm going to select those words appropriately describe the mood. That gets it turning the question around. I'm going to go down to my box. Oh, I got to click Command or Control on the Chromebooks, Control C, and that copies it. And I go down here and I hit Control V, and those words just show up. So I got to go and I got to capitalize the beginning of the sentence. And now I have a sentence starter. Those words appropriately describe the mood. And now I'm going to add a little bit of mysterious because, oops, I got to spell because right. Because Charles is a mysterious, whoops, got to spell mysterious right too. Mysterious character that we don't meet throughout most of the story. And so now I'm done with my first word. That's all I need to write. So we can stop that. And now what I would say is my second. Also, the mood of the story is, and let's just say I'm just gonna, let's say, I'm just gonna make it up. I'm gonna say dog-like. That's not a good answer, by the way. Also, the mood is dog-like because Lori wears a collar and takes a flea bath. Now, Lori does not wear a collar, and Lori does not take flea baths. And the mood of the story is not dog-like. I just wanted to show you kind of how you would answer the question. So that would complete my response to question number 2. Remember, you have to put in 2 words. You can use mysterious if you like. Come up with your second word. If you like what I said about the story being mysterious and why it is, you can use that part as well. But remember, you need to do your own for word number 2. And that concludes our extra help for question number 2. As always, see me if you need help.